So I must say that my tuchus feels refreshed. Tuchus means butt, as in bottom. Me bottom feels nice and rosy, it is. It's not my best moment, sorry. That was not my best moment. Alright guys, I just rode yesterday for 200 miles on the Monster. My bottom is sore, so what we're going to do here is test out this weird seat and hope that it makes my tushy more comfortable and relaxed, assuming that a tushy can be relaxed. This is the Badass Moto motorcycle seat cushion. It relieves painful pressure points and helps maintain circulation. I do like that this company is owned by a fellow motorcycle rider. The seat costs $50 on Amazon.com. It does have free Prime one-day shipping, and if you're interested, I do have it on my Amazon storefront. Links in the description below. So what we do here is we open up this little valve. We blow up these little chambers here to your liking. They include a pump here too. I'll show you that in the overview. I find that just blowing into it's a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm not gonna fill it up fully, maybe 70-75%. Let's see how it goes. So there's this sort of breathable looking cover that you put this inflatable cushion into, and that's what straps to the seat. Go ahead and zip that up, and then we're gonna install it on the seat. Actually, it does look like it fits very nicely with the Monster seat. What this is here is a stretchable belt which you can make tighter or more loose just by pulling on this buckle here. So there's what she looks like. It's not a beautiful solution by any means, but my butt really doesn't care about beauty. Excuse me, I belched. That was uncalled for. I am, however, a mere man, and sometimes we do that stuff. Sorry, not sorry. It's definitely softer. My butt feels like it is sitting on some giant bubble wrap. All right, let's ride into some scenic twisties in New York. All right, so I actually adjusted it so the belts come out the sides instead of the front and the back, and it does look a little bit better, especially with the black. Doesn't really stand out, but once again, after 4 hours of riding, my butt really doesn't care what it looks like under my butt. My butt only cares about how it feels. Let's give her a test. All right, my butt actually feels good. I think I have it overfilled at about 80% because I've lifted a little bit too high on the seat, and it was a bit uncomfortable just trying to get my butt to adjust to it. And I'm already 6'1" anyway, so I found that I had to bend over to reach the handlebars a little bit too much. So what I'll do is I'm gonna try it on my other motorcycle, my Diavel, which is over there. And I'm gonna deflate it to maybe 45-50% and take another ride. Here we go. All right, there she is on the Diavel 1260S. I've deflated the seat to about 40-45% capacity. Let's see how that does. So I must say that my tuchus feels refreshed. Tuchus means butt, as in bottom. Me bottom feels nice and rosy, it is. It's not my best moment, sorry. That was not my best moment. I do feel that this at about 45-50% capacity is definitely softer on the butt. I put about an hour and a half on the road just now on this, on both the Monster and then on the Diavel. And this is after having my butt sore from 4 hours of riding yesterday, and I don't feel any soreness. So I think this is a nice, inexpensive solution. If you're gonna go on long rides and like me, your butt, your upper thighs get a little bit sore, frankly, because I'm dumb and I don't get off the bike and walk around every so often, which you should. But if you're like me and you just like to ride straight there and you wanna try to avoid some fatigue on your bottom half, then I think this is a good option at around $50 US. Straps well onto the seat. It didn't slide around on the Monster or on the Diavel. Stays in place. The finish of the bike is not in any danger anywhere of being scratched by the fasteners. So reasonable price, good functionality. My butt is not sore. It's not an eyesore on the bike. It fits both bikes. The Monster 937 has a smaller seat, Diavel has a bigger seat and it fits both. Doesn't slide around. And best of all is that you can adjust it easily just by blowing into it to set it exactly how you feel on any particular day. Maybe someday you want to have a little bit more support. Maybe sometimes you just want to have it softer. When you deflate it down to about half, it doesn't really give you that much extra height on the bike. Simply unzip it, open it up. Yeah, you don't even have to take it out actually. You just turn this right here. You turn that there to deflate it, or you just blow into it to inflate it. Really easy to do. You don't even need the pump that they included, but the pumps are nice to have. Yeah, and as I was saying, I really like how they distribute the weight of your butt across all of the different air pockets. You know, and you got those spaces on the inside, so it kind of makes your butt feel like you're sitting on a cloud. So overall, it might not be for everyone. You might not like the look of it, but if you're gonna go on a 2-3 hour ride, and it can save your butt and save you on some fatigue, then I highly recommend this seat attachment. All right guys, as always, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found the video useful, please drop a like. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more Mustangs, motorcycles, and man tech. In the meantime, keep it locked in here to Rated R Cars, and until next time, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one.